We have said the first measure is to understand that we need to create a good environment within use of social media. And I said this the other day, and I said we are not planning to switch off anything. It's not in our minds. I made a caption on top of that and said the capacity is there. Of course, the capacity is there in case we have situations of national security importance. For example, you know what happened to Rwanda when the radios were used for genocide purposes. If that happens, we'll switch them off. But we have no other situation where we have thought of doing it. Why can't it be self-regulating? So that we have a discussion in Kenya and say, let's create a good environment within these platforms. So that even when your son or daughter is sitting next to you on a sofa, you will see that the things they are doing are responsible things. We have to discuss ourselves. And this is where I said in the ministry, I will be opening portals for public engagement. Those who like insulting leaders, they will insult us for a few minutes and they will disappear. We'll be left with those who want to have a discourse with us. So the laws are there, you know, misuse of computer and cybercrime, it's there. If you are angered by anything that has been put there and you think it is part of a crime, report the crime. That's what we do. But I'll be moving cabinet to probably allow OB reporting online so that you don't have to go to the police station to report. That is in my mind. And if they agree, then we should be able to report these things online and action taken real time. But Kenya is moving with a speed, lightning speed in this space. Asanteni sana.